Welcome back to Adventure Lane. We are almost 6,000 feet above sea level. And that sinister rock back there is the Devil's Courthouse. Now, the Cherokee lore says that a slant-eyed giant named Jutacula lives in a cave up there. We're gonna go find out if that's true. Let's go. All right, so we got 1 mile. Very slight incline up to the Devil's Courthouse. Oh. Stay on the trail and don't step on the plant life. Oh. Wow. So much for that slight incline. I have not found a cave or a giant yet. We're halfway there. Okay, we just finished a 1/4 mile pavement. Now it gets into a little bit of rocks, gravel, and a little single track. It's gonna get a little bit tougher. I'll tell you what, all the volunteers that keep these trails clean, kept up, make it so easy for people to get to these vistas and these majestic views. This is great. Wow. Sometimes there's no words for it. Well, we didn't find Jutacula, and we didn't find a cave, but what we did find was a beautiful sunset. Till next time, turn your Netflix off, find a trail, and whatever you do, pick up your trash. I'm Garrick, and this is Adventure Lane.